So today I'm doing a video of my butterfly. We're just jumping up on the freezer for butter. I mean,
Too naughty for words.
I know, like. Okay, so anyways, this is my butter slime. I'm just showing you it because I don't know. I just made it today, so it's really big. Turn around. Okay, let's get out of this. Okay. Oh my god, it is so good. I've never felt so good much slime before. Oh my god, it's spraying my blood.
You can play with that in the living room on the table now if you want to.
Oh my god.
Okay?
Okay. Where can you see what it does? Does it click? Well, we just saw that. Yes. Does it stretch? Let's have a look. Not really. Does it?
Slime.
Oh yes, it's good. But comment down below if you have made exactly the same, like pink butter slime. Okay, I'm gonna. Do we have a roll here to like roll slime?
What are you looking for? Sausage roll.
No, it's this. Look,
A rolling pin.
yeah.
Yeah, of course we have.
I can't. I don't know if I'm gonna roll slime. You make sure
Let's wait a minute for me to do this breakfast, right?
when you get the.
And I got cutters yet.
Tell you what, I'll get it myself now. So you're there.
No.
Okay. So. Thank you.
There's cutters in house now.
I've never rolled slime out before. I guess I just know how. Okay, I'm gonna put that. Okay. My dog is.
Right. The dog is nuts.
I'm not sure if this is good or rolling. I've never rolled slime before. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna poke it all the way to here. Wait, you can't see the top. But
Die!
she gave me a fright then. Come down like the sun. Yeah. Come down like you've made butter slime and you've rolled it before. Whoa. Too much to do. Too much dots to do. Okay,
Do
guys.
you want cutters, Frankie?
No thanks. So,
Do you want a cutter? Do you want a cut?
I'm rolling it back out.
It's not the best thing ever.
Yeah.
And I got breakfast all about.
So, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. This is the only slime I have of it. No, I got loads here. Oh my god, I can't get it. But, I just want to tell you, make sure you subscribe, like, hit notification bell, and comment down below if you've ever made exactly the same butter slime. And comment down below if you want me to do a video of making Play-Doh. So yeah, you got 2 comments to do. Well, you don't have to, but yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that. And my dog's barking, so I have to go. So yeah, this is my butter slime. Let me just get the bits off it. This is my butter slime.